Back to a new video. In this video I have a earning application from where you can earn money, and yeah, surprisingly you can earn money in Ansel and esewas also. But for this video I'm going to make for PayPal and esewa, so and also for recharge cards. So in order to download this application, you just need to go in Play Store and search GDBAR. So I may leave that link in comment box. After downloading this application, you just need to open this and you will get this type of interface with Google, and yeah, sign in. After clicking with Google, and you will get this type of interface where you need to type your age and you just need to select your gender. So after logging in, you will get this type of interface where at top right corner you will get your account option, at top left corner you will get point option, and next to that you will get offer option. So you just need to click in offers. That is you will get add source, Fiverr, videos, in brain type search. So if you click in videos, you just need to you can watch 50 videos a day, and yeah, you can do unlimited offers here. And there is options of coins where it's not allowing me for now, so I just need to give them permission of no, I'm not giving them. So there is option of more. You will take offers from AYT Studios, Offer Toro, AdKit, CPX Source, Hang My Ads, Ball Fits, Android, iOS, etc. So this is what this application looks like. And if I click in a offer, for instance item source, I will get this type of interface where I will get many offers like 1097 offers and everything. So let's talk about how to withdraw from this application. In order to withdraw, you just need to click in withdraw, and you will get PayPal option, gift card option, and you will get mobile recharge option. So you just need to click enter your mobile number. After giving your mobile number, you just need to invite your friends and you can earn. So to earn in PayPal, you just need to go in again reading option, and you just need to click in PayPal. So it's in order to earn $50, you just need to earn 48,000 coins, and yeah, you can earn recharge card from here in Nepal. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to that notification bell, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because yeah, we will upload a video in a week. Thank you so much, Roy. Bye.